wrongs don't make a right. Two wrongs can't make a right. And yet Pennsylvania law for decades has been based on a premise that somehow two wrongs can make a right. And we know better. Finally, with the enactment of the Fair Share Act, we're going to have a law in Pennsylvania that says you can only be responsible for the amount of negligence you may have contributed to an incident, so that Pennsylvanians are not going to be basically at the mercy of the trial lawyers. This idea that somehow the Fair Share Act is something that favors big business against the little guy is completely false, because many of the defendants in these actions are the little guy. It's the mom and pop business. It's the small nonprofit organization. It's the individual. And to say that somehow the Fair Share Act hurts the little guy, it's the opposite. The Fair Share Act for the first time puts the playing field even so that no one can be held responsible for more damages than they have actually caused in some kind of a situation. So it really makes things fair, and again, it embodies the principle that two wrongs can't make a right. You can't make one person whole by making someone else who didn't cause their injuries pay for their injuries. It makes no sense, and it's not fair, it's not ethical, it's not just.